Welcome to Yellow Yellow Meow.
Today I have a purple elephant. Paul is gonna love it. Hello Annie, what are you doing? I'm doing some... Oops, don't look. I have a surprise for you. Really? Show me please. Okay, come here. 1, 2, 3. Wow! A purple elephant clay. It looks like me. Annie, they have big ears and long trunk. How can you make it, Annie? Can you show me? Please. I knew that you will love it. This is hard to do. I want to make an elephant. No, it's very easy to make it. Let me show you how. Ready? Here we go. First, to make an elephant by using clay, I'm using Play-Doh clay. We have some color here. White for eyes, pink or red or yellow for ears, like this. And a pen. Now we have to choose the color to make an elephant. I choose dark blue. Take it out and put this aside. Hello elephants, I am Paul. Okay, we're back to work. Take it out. We use it to make a body, legs, ears, tail, and trunk. Separate it. First, we roll the body. Now, we make 4 legs. Each piece is as small as a black bean or bigger than a black bean a little bit. Separate the clay into 4 pieces like this. One, 2, 3, 4. A trunk. A clay we need to make a trunk is bigger than the leg clay. Last one, the long tail. A little bit is enough. Here, look. Oh, don't forget the ears. We need 2 pieces, like this. Okay, go back to the body. Now we roll it. And so the legs. Roll it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put them together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here he can stand. So amazing. Next, we're making a trunk. Roll it like this. See? Here. Or you can make it longer if you want. Put it in front of the body. Now, the tail. Roll it. Put it at the back of the body. Done! What are we missing? That's right, the ears. To make the ears, we need some pink clay to make it like this. We push the clay down like this. With the pink clay, we take a little bit of pink clay, then put it onto the dark blue clay and push it down. It's make like we did with the dark blue clay but smaller. We need one more. Done! Here is the elephant ears. See? Now we put it on the body. And the other side. Ta-da! But we are not finished yet. Now we're making the elephant eyes. We need white clay to make it. Take a very small pieces. That's enough. Put it here. Then here. Now we need a pen to draw his eyes. You can use any pen to draw the eyes. Check it out one last time. Okay, Done! So here is our elephant. A dark blue elephant with big body, big ears, long trunk, and long tail. Ah, he's so cute! I love him, I love him! Hello, dark blue elephant. I am Paul. Thank you, Andy, for showing me how to make the elephant. I will make a lot more at home. Thank you, thank you. Ah, Miss Annie, can you print out of the elephant here? Then we sing a Vietnamese song called Elephant of Dawn Village? Of course I can. Wait a minute. One elephant, two elephant, three elephant, and me, 4 elephant. Chưa voi con ở bàn đôn, chưa có nhà nên còn trẻ con. Từ rừng già chiều đến với người, rất ham ăn với lại ham chơi. Voi con ơi, mau lá nhanh có đôi ngà to, có sức đi khắp miền gần xa, kéo gỗ cho buôn làng của ta. Wow, you are so amazing. I hope you like it. If you like, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.